The Fuji Electric fvro 75e9s-2 is an AC drive with a rated output of 750 watts, and it arrived at ERD with a shorted output. We replaced the IGBT and also performed a full rebuild before we tested this driver on one of our many AC induction motors. This drive is used in various applications, but this specific one came from a medical device manufacturer. Fuji, along with Allen Bradley, Yaskawa, and Baldor, are brands we have worked on for decades and have developed the ability to return these products back to service in a very short repair cycle. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.